everyone, welcome to day 14 of CapCut editing tutorial. I'm super excited. I don't know, I just have this joy in my mouth today. Okay, so today we are going to talk about, as you can see, I'm going to teach us how to blur our face. Okay, that is what we are going to do today in this video. So it's super easy. Just take it step by step. But you might think it's hard, but it's not hard. I'm going to show us, and all you need is just follow through step by step. Pause and play, pause and play. That is it. And I also always tell us that the best way to learn is by practicing. Download the application, get a particular video, and then practice it. You have the video, you can pause and play until you get it. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So this is the video that we are going to use. So you know this video that we have already edited before, so of all of us on this page. So don't select this video. What you are going to do is you come down and look for effect here. You can see this effect. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, tap on video effect. Tap on that video effect. Once you are in the video effect, type here in this search bar. You have to look for blur. Then tap on search blur. So when you get, just click on search down here, this search here, to bring out blur there. You can see there's blur. Then you choose the first blur here. You can see that it blurred the entire video. It blurred the entire face of the video. So click on cancel up here. You can see this cancel here. Tap on cancel. So what you are going to do is go back and make sure that the effect, it cover all the video. Okay, so what you do, you just drag, it's already selected, you drag it here and come here and drag it again to the end of the video. Make sure you drag it to the end of the video. Okay, so that is how you had the blur. And then the next thing you are going to do is you tap on that video. When you tap on that video, you duplicate it so that you can be able to apply effect. So you go and look for duplicate down here. You see duplicate. You can see once you tap on duplicate, we are going to bring this one down. And to bring it down is called overlay. So to bring it down is called overlay. You see, we have not gone far. Overlay, if you did not see it fast, you can scroll around it to bring it down. So you tap on that overlay and drag it to the beginning of the video. Drag it, make sure it hits the video so that it will be the same thing. So what you want to do, you want to blur only my face. So you tap on that overlay video that is down, which is this one here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you now go and look for marks. So let's go and look for marks down here. As you can see, this is marks here. So you tap on marks. So once you tap on marks, it has different options, simply because we are only blurring our face. So it's better for us to use circle. So you tap on circle. So as you can see, the circle come out. So what you're going to do, place that circle only on my face. So you can see, just place it on my face. So instead of clicking OK, you click on this invert. Tap on the invert. You see, what did the invert do? It brought only the circle to only the blur to just my face alone. So, and then if I decide to play this video now, you see that then you can click on OK here so that you can then play it and see. You see? So as you can see that as I moved, the blur did not follow me. So we have to make that blur move. And don't forget, I've taught us how to use keyframe on objects, on a picture, on objects, on sticker, on anything. So on anything also we are going to use it here now, how to use keyframe. So you come back to the beginning of the video, you tap on this video again. Okay, you tap, we want to get the blur effect again. So let's go back to the blur effect again. The max, you go to the max. Okay, that max, I want to expand it a little bit. So you use these two place arrow to expand it. Okay, so I want it to be more bigger a little bit so that if I'm moving my head, it can move together. So I've done this. So what am I going to do now? As you must make sure is this down one that is selected, or not the up one, this down one, because that is where the blur effect, that is where the inverse is. Then you leave it like this and add a keyframe on it. You know, this is our keyframe here. You tap on keyframe, and once you tap on keyframe, you're going to see this diamond, half diamond at the beginning. Then you try and move the video, move the video, move the video, move the video, where you see that your face is about to show in another place. You can see here my face showed here, so I can tap on the marks and move that marks here. The diamond will be there again. Okay, so you tap OK again, move the video again. You can see where the my face reach again. Then you tap on the marks again and then moved it to cover my face here. The diamond will show again. You can see it step by step. Tap on the, let's drag the video again. You can see as the video is coming like this. Then you go again and move the marks again to here to cover it again, so you can see. Then you move again and let's see where it's going again. Here, what you are going to do, you go back and move these marks again to this place. The diamond will show, and then you move, you leave it there, because the video, you can see. So my face moved again. So what you're going to do, you move the marks again to cover it again, okay, to the end of it, until you get to the end of it. Then you click on OK. So let's go and play it and see whether it moves as we are moving up and down. Let's see whether the marks follows or so. We tap on it. Let's play it. So you can see that is how you can mask your face. Okay, it's easy to do. You do not need to stress yourself or anything. Follow this step by step. Okay, I break it down step by step. I did not rush it. Follow it. Once you have mastered the keyframe, okay, then you can master everything on how to do this as well. So you can see it's super easy to follow. So with that, we have come to the end of today's video, and it is easy to follow step by step. Make sure you follow it step by step. Okay, so my name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. I will see you in the 15. Bye.